All right, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. So, Commander Royce have something to say. Yes, I call him Commander Royce today because what he did is far better than what people that most of us hold in high esteem have done. Yesterday, we saw the video of a Jamaica and some group of people saying that there's no small seat at home, and they said a lot of things in that video. Commander Royce have reacted on that. You know why I call him Commander Royce? Because as of now, he appeared to be, more, should I say, more kind of people choice, more better than them. Let me use the word better because I don't want to say something crazy. You know what I mean? Because Royce, of course, has his own flop. Yeah, yes. And this is not to tell you that he's a real person or not. I don't know. Okay, judging by what happened in the past, before he said he's a Butozo, and later no more Butozo, then James came up and said that he don't know that nobody know who he is and all that. So maybe you're actually talking to a civilian that you don't know that, but it doesn't matter. What matters here is the truth. Okay, he said the truth, and I have to appreciate that truth. So let's not just ignore that part. He says something. He actually reject what Makeup and the other guys have said. Very interesting part is that he recognized that is immaterial. You are not holding anything to back up your claim. Honestly, my mind is actually telling me that he's not. He may not be even in army, but if he is, I wonder where he is and who he's working for and who he's working with. Now, different people have reacted on that video of the makeup, saying that no, the sister's home is hereby cancelled, and they are not gonna enforce it and all that. You know what that means. So I'm not here to talk more, say more about it because we have said it in our main platform. So, and this is just to share a few things about what Ron said, and I think it's good for us to start, going through those ones. But before then, please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel in case if you're new. Don't forget to put your comments. That is the best way to register your opinion so that others may know what you know, so that others may feel what you feel about what you're talking about. It's not something that belongs to one person. We have to be realistic. You have to be real about everything. So I am gonna play the video so that you yourself can maybe have access to what they're talking about. So please make sure you share this video, like and subscribe to the channel. Listen.
We are going to do wonders. I want you all to understand that we are in a very big battle. Battle for freedom is not for really liver people. It's not for kids. Battle for freedom, they throw bombs, rockets for people to get freedom. So freedom is not meant for people that are too emotional. It's not meant for people that somebody will talk this and talk that and then begin to shiver. No. I am born for Biafra to come. And I'm going to help Mazina Bikano to get Biafra. Let me go back to this date. I want to assure Biafrans, so long as you continue to stand on your freedom, I will be there for you. So long as you continue to maintain that you have a right to live, I, Samonekwa, will be there any day, anytime.
All right, forget about the picture of Ogen and that very Elias. Or this is just because the place that made this editing just attach it there. I'm not here promoting Briggy fake briggy. No, I just want you to hear what PM said. And remember, we are watching this from the platform of Royce. He pays his allegiance to Ogenkere. I don't know if he have defeated. I don't know. It doesn't matter. Sit at home, Ogenkere, and their group did not even change. They understand that the need of that sit at home, and they also have made a stand that they're in support of it. Now, I want you to pay close attention. This is the video of Jamaica delivering that his speech, which I myself I believe initially that it's AI, but later did I know that they have made up their mind to choose otherwise. So Roy said, Angel Makeup, Gentle the Yahoo, Butoso, and host of others. Okay. I said, I see Roy's PMC score group pronounced today saying, go to hell for anybody who changes his principles according to who he is dealing with. That is not a man that can lead a country. Set of confusion, set of confused people. Sit at home, continue. Set of confused people, sit at home, continue. That is, this statement attracts people's opinion. So many people commented on that. Not so many, not so, but important comment was found under this post. Now, before then, he made this post again and said, whenever your oppressor are happy with your recklessness utterance as a freedom fighter, it simply means you have lost the battle already to your enemy. I can see Nigerians so happy that the order that this Fulani gave Soludo to dish out some people falls for it. I can see Nigerians so happy that the order that the Fulanis gave Soludo to dish out, some people falls for it, but not score PMC. Now, Gentle, according to Jamaica and Butoso, they are all aware of what Jamaica read out, and that have called for a kind of, there's a very big reshape that has bring to the movement. A lot of people, are not seeing them as pure hardcore enemies. People that used to pray for them are not gonna continue doing so because there's no difference, okay, between people that many of us normally believe that work for government like a Bubago and anybody trying to tell you what you are not used to. And just like what Roy said, Nigerians being happy, they are celebrating about it, and that simply means that you have failed. Your decision is against yourself. Joy Bogwe made a post and said that these butchers have now realized that they have been wrong all along. All this while they have been wrong. Udele made a post and said that the reason why they decided to cut off seats at home is not because of Namodekan. That they know that the manpower of government are actually dominating them, and they're dealing with them and all that. My take on that is that it's not true. I don't think it's about the force that the Nigerian government brings, but it's about the promises that comes with it. Some have decided to engage themselves on that. And remember, no matter how strong you are in the bush, at some point you also need to eat cooked food. You also need to consider other things. When the opportunity of amnesty and everything is on your table, the tendency of you grabbing that amnesty is high. So nobody knows the reason why they have done what they've done. Nobody knows the reason behind whatever that's happened. But people that have done this one, to them is no longer this attack is no longer in existence. They have moved forward to looking for another place to attack. That is how they roll. But if you don't pay attention to follow it step by step, you may end up, you know, regretting it. So that's why we want me to be careful and, of course, follow things very, very closely so that you can not make a better and proper decision for yourself. Because everything that we are saying, you are sharing to you with you here is not about who we love or who we hate, but it's about being realistic. All right. Now, let me share this with us. So you can see here what they said about this, what Ross said here. He said, Angel Makeup, Gentle the Yahoo, Butozo, host of others. Okay? He just wants every other person, whoever you are, to understand that your decision to stop staying home is not what you're supposed to do. It's just like you working against yourself, you know. And I promise, I talked about people on the comment. Let's see what the comment says before we end this video. So here, okay. They're sharing the, okay, listen. The armed men issuing directive are the real people, are the real people causing problem for Biafran restoration. That the armed men issuing directive are the real people causing problem for the Biafra restoration. They want the world to be seen Biafra as people that don't have leaders and foresight. You understand it now? Mhm. This person said they said it was a command from Sokoto prison, where Sokoto prison where Ohamadike gave the command himself. Okay, Ohamadike gave the command himself. I don't quite get what he's trying to say. No need for division. Contact them direct and find out if Mazlum Bukano gave the order for real. People will do that. People will do that. But remember, it is not even in position of Mazlum Bukano to comment on that kind of thing because it's just like you know his capacity, yet you still want to pretend that you don't know it. Because his capacity in Sokoto prison, he's a human being. Let's not forget that. He's a human being. Anything is possible. Anyway, I don't want to waste much time. Please let me know what you think about it and the stand of Royce. Some people have started developing love for him because of that comment. But you also need to know more about him. I'm just saying. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. And God bless you. Take care of yourself. Bye bye for now.